I want to show you how to create a search bar in Excel, like in this example. First of all, you need to activate the search bar. Go to File, Option, Trust Center, ActiveX Settings, and enable all controls. Following, go to the Developer tab, click Insert, and pick the search box. Place it here. Then, right-click, select Properties, and input a linked cell. In my case, it is B4. Select this cell and enter this filter formula so we can display what we are searching on the search bar. We are picking the full range. Then the names, because we want to search by names and the input needs to match what we are entering on the search bar. Press Enter and confirm. Click one time on Design Mode to deactivate it. Finally, if we type something on the search bar, the results will update on the table below.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.